Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this kawaii makeup look for back to school. It was kind of a fail, kind of not. I don't know. I'm just playing around. And yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. So, starting off, I'm going to go ahead and get out my foundation as usual. And we're going to put that all over my face and blend. Once that's blended out, we're going to add some concealer. We have the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm going to put that under my eyes and stuff. Ta-da! Face should look like this. Then I'm going to go in with my contouring Cocoa Contour Kit, once again from Too Faced. If you guys don't know by now, I like Too Faced. I'm just gonna go ahead and do some contouring. Finally, I'm gonna go ahead and use some blush. I just got, you guys, speaking, the new Jeffree Star brush set. And I'm gonna try out, see, let's try this brush for blush. This brush for blush brush. I always like to use a really rosy blush. This is the So Peachy by Too Faced, and it really adds a cute kawaii look to you. That's really sweet. Okay, now it's time for the fun part with the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead in with the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star. I'm gonna use a little brush like this, and with kawaii makeup usually I do lots of colors and expressive, but I think we're just gonna keep it a soft blue and pink look. So everything's really cute. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Bubblegum, my favorite shade, and just kind of pat that all over the eye. Look how, oh my gosh, it's so bright. Okay, I said, you know, honestly though, I'd be that person who wears this look to school. So fabulous. Okay. Here I am all like, I'm gonna keep it light and simple. Nope. So then, I'm gonna go in with this Brain Freeze shade right here. Let's give that a whirl and put it on the eyelid. And then go ahead and take the blending brush and blend her all out. Now it's for the fun part, where we add glitter. The ColourPop My Little Pony shade in Sunbeam. This is the most kawaii of the kawaii makeup I've ever seen. Like, this eyeshadow is like holographic. None of this is sponsored, by the way. I'm just showing you guys that this is my most favorite eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that to the lid. Like this. So it's really sparkly. Then it's time for eyeliner and all that good stuff. So now it's time for eyeliner. I'm just going to do a simple cute wing. and mascara. I so messed up on this eyeliner. Oh well. I'm not Jeffree Star, guys. I'm sorry. This would be very cute to wear back to school. And then I like to take my Stila glitter eyeshadow and do it in the very corners, boop, boop, of my eyes. And then this is the fun part. This is the fun part. We're gonna go ahead and pull out this palette. And we are gonna use a highlighter shade today. Yep. Oh, I haven't used this palette yet, but it's the pink one. The pink one. Oh my god. Okay, so this is huge. It's the biggest palette I've ever owned. We're gonna go ahead and use this pink highlighter here. And when you're a kawaii girl, don't be afraid to be generous with highlighter. Always sparkle, princesses. Ta-da! And then for lips, just add a simple lip gloss. Or you could even go crazy. I think I'm just going to add the Urban Decay Peppermint Lip Gloss. So yeah. I hope you guys like this makeup look. If you're back to school, show me. Like, tweet me pictures. If you don't, that's cool too. Be your kawaii self. I love you guys. Stay beautiful, kawaii princesses. You're beautiful, wonderful, wonderful, beautiful, wonderful princesses. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.